There's not much you can do. At some point they need to go in a full hive, like I said to you the other day, didn't I? You can't just keep waiting because you have to put them in a full hive at some point. So, but I should have some decent comb in there, which I have, so that'll just store over winter and stay where it is. So that's fine.
That's another hive taken over by wasps. Oh, that's just a
there's a foul queen.
Nuke, really, wasn't it?
So I'll just keep it where it is. Lock up and little frames I can use, kind of.
Yeah.
Run with them. So that's fine.
So this is an apiary at Buxton, and all of these were swarms from earlier in the year. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 hives just from catching swarms.
What I like about about the bee stuff is, even though they got overrun by wasps, you can still reuse the hive, the nest, can't you?
Oh yeah.
So that's
Not
all
really
ready
a problem, is it?
for a swarm or do a split next year. So that's a good resource. Drawn comb is an excellent resource, like gold dust really. So there's always a silver lining with if they get overrun. And this one, a swarm moved into this one.
Just moved in.
About a month and a half ago, but that's gone, or that got overtaken. We'll have a look.
Oh, I didn't like it in there, maybe.
So I just had to put some frames, and then they moved in, and they were still going, but then not anymore. So, but once again, you see all that drawn comb?
Yeah.
That'll stay in there, be nice and dry, and that's
a head start.
ready to, I'd say it's gold dust, and they'll be ready for next year, which is going to be another busy year. Quick you can fill them, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's gone mad. That went mad this year, didn't it?
So, and it's lovely to lose a comb in there, which is brilliant. So I'm pleased with that. So this one, I can't remember what swarm it is, but
no, they were all swarms from the land, I suppose, weren't they?
yeah, they were. I did put a bit of feed on there ages ago. I've taken all that down. It's fine. So I'm just here to sort of make sure they're all queen right and you see what's going on.
Yeah, so how big they are to overwinter, I suppose.
That's decent already, you can see that, can't you?
Yeah. I suppose there is always one thing, if them ones are lost, then that's probably best not to mess around with them anyway, because they're weak colonies, weren't they?
Yeah.
Could have been a weak queen or anything, only swarms, you don't know what you're getting really.
You don't, and I keep thinking when they've been overtaken by wasps, when I've checked them, I have crossed them one thing and they look a bit weaker than, because you get standard, don't you?
Yeah, oh yeah, they too.
So when you see stuff abnormal,
you
think, there's a problem there.
Because they soon fill up really, don't they?
Yeah, if that's a good queen, they will. And their wasps have been really hammering these like they have everywhere else, and they've managed to defend them off. So that should be saying that's a good queen in there, shouldn't they?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Because if this wasn't queen right, mate, they'd been overrun. What's going on here?
Shows you how well they glue it down, doesn't it? Yeah. That's nearly pulled the frames out.
But they're not built up as much as I thought they would be.
Not are they?
Right, let's have a look. Let's see how they're...
Well, we're near farmland here, so you never know if a bit of insecticide might get them as well,
Well, I hope not. They shouldn't do really. If they're going to spray, they should at least, the gamekeeper would let me know. And
well, you think so, but you never know, do you? It could be here or another farm, I suppose, can't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see what you mean about having to join some of these together for overwintering. They're going to have to be, aren't they?
What I can do is, this one, what I'll do, I'll feed them now. So I've got feed there. I'll give them loads of feed and just keep feeding them.
Yeah.
But it's just, let's have a look. But what I can do is, I can keep them in hair, but I can put a dummy board.
Oh, to
That
block
keeps
them off
them-
a bit, yeah. Give them less room.
Yeah. I mean, I could put them in a nuke. That's just why, really, because if I could put a bit of king span even,
Yeah,
just put it down and, you know.
I mean, they look healthy, don't they?
Yeah.
They've got plenty of food, don't they?
But, you know, this time of year you need to. I mean, they're going to wind down anyway, but you want to see some decent eggs and a bit of a brood pattern. If you don't, there's that.
Some of them big
Yeah,
ones.
so that's okay, because if that was just like that and I didn't see any eggs, then that's worrying.
Yeah.
If you look, although you get it on camera, it's difficult, isn't it? If you look, you can see eggs where they're hatched out and she's relayed in there. If you can see it.
Dunno. I can't see no normal egg.
No, so there's yeah. I mean, I can. Yeah, that's not worrying, because I would be a little bit worried if she weren't relaying. So we should see this amount of brood on the next one. So that's fine. I mean, to be fair, they have been hammered by wasps, but they managed to defend it.
Yeah.
So it tells me it's still reasonably strong, even for not a full hive. That's better.
Oh, yeah.
Nice pearly white larvae. This indicates nice healthy colony. She's laying eggs on the outer as well. Right there, can you see them?
Oh, yeah, I can see them, yeah.
So that's a good. And see a little. Quite calm actually, aren't they?
Yeah, nice bees.
There's one. I can see one hatching out somewhere. Yeah, it's decent. So I'm going to give some more feed. Give them as much as I can now,
Yeah.
so they can draw out or whatever, and then hopefully they'll. Well, it's more to be hatched out, and then she's still laying, so it should be a reasonable size. But I will just condense them down if not. Should spot the queen. There's not too many bees in here. See, once again, there's eggs down there. That's good. She's got decent. Excuse me, half decent laying pattern, so that's pretty good. There's the queen. Where is he? Where are you? That's heavy.
And they're making stores, aren't they?
Yeah. What I'm going to do is. Right, let's get some feed.
Oh, they're bringing in loads of pollen, aren't they?
Say again?
They're bringing in loads of pollen, aren't they?
Yeah, that's what I said to you there. They're still finding it around here, so this is going to be an excellent spot.
Any one of these?
Oh yeah, cheers. Should we ride on the train when we're finished?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is 1-to-1 sugar syrup. Just dribble a little bit down there so they know what's up there. So now what I'll do, I'll come back more regularly and keep feeding
Yeah, yeah.
to build them up.